Hey, you can adjust the ringtone volume in the two ways on the Pixel 7 Pro. The first one, you can use the volume buttons, they are located on the right side. So when you click on the volume up or volume down once, you will find these three dots, so we can click on them, and then you will be moved to the settings, where we can change the ringtone volume. So that's how we can adjust the ringtone volume. And click done to confirm. And also we can do this straight from the settings, so you will be welcome with this screen. You have to go to the sound and vibration, and here you can also adjust the ringtone volume. And yeah, that's all. Bye bye.